Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're canceling Canva Premium now. First, sign into the Canva account tied to the subscription. Once signed in, verify the email and payment method shown in account settings so you stop the right plan. Make sure you're using the web version if possible because mobile stores sometimes redirect you elsewhere. If an organization or team owns the plan, you'll need admin access. Request it now. Once done, navigate directly to the account settings to continue. Next, go to Account Settings and choose Billing and Teams. This is where subscriptions live. Once there, find the active Canva Premium subscription and click Manage or Cancel. Canva shows confirmation prompts to prevent accidental loss. Follow the on-screen steps. You may be offered alternatives like pausing or switching plans, which affect billing differently. Make sure you note the renewal date and any prorated refunds offered. If you're in a team, confirm you have authority to cancel to avoid delays. Finally, confirm the cancellation and expect an email receipt. This is your proof. If your subscription began through the Apple App Store or Google Play, cancel inside that store's subscription manager instead because Canva can't stop those charges directly. Make sure to check billing statements for one cycle to confirm no additional charges. If something goes wrong, clear browser cache, use an incognito window, or switch to desktop. If issues persist, contact Canva.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.